Hi, good morning children. How are you? I am sure you all are doing great. Okay, today we will start our today's new work, that is a freehand drawing. Okay, when we will complete that work, how it will look, I will show before only, then we will start that work. Okay children, see here. This is today's our work, that is a freehand drawing. I will show how you should do this work and how you should do the color, everything I will show. For that, before that, you have to take a material. I think already you got the note what to take. Okay children, okay, now we will start our work. Children, for today's work, we need a materials. Already I given the note of the materials. I think everyone is ready with that. Once again I will tell. Today we need one A4 sheet, crayon box, sketch pen, then pencil, sharpener, eraser and a scale. Okay children, after that keep our remaining whatever things we need, we have to take that one in the hand. Remaining things we will keep a separate. After that, in the last class I taught that how you should do the 3 centimeter box and a border line. I think everyone know that. Okay, in the according to last class we are doing today's work also. In all the 4 sides we are leaving 1 centimeter and we will do the border like this. After the border over, here we have the join. No, from that we are starting the 3 centimeter box. You have to say 3 ones are table. According to that you can keep the dots. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Same like that you have to put dot here also and start to draw the box. Okay children, like this you should do the 3 centimeter box. Okay children, once your 3 centimeter box will ready, your paper will looks like this. After this over, you have to write the date here. What is today's date? Today's date will be 17/06/2020. Then afterwards you have to write your freehand drawing. Freehand drawing. Then children, just observe the picture. From which box I will start the work, you have to start that box and you have to end in which box I ended the curves, either lines, whatever it will be. So you have to observe. I will show how you should do. Okay, once when you will get a time, when I will tell you to do the drawing, that time you start to do in your page. Okay, you have to see the work first. Children, like this you have to do the beak. Then just lightly you have to draw a curve like this. Then upon that draw a face. Draw a face like this. After that you have to draw a feather and a wings of a bird. Children, you have to see this and you have to draw like that only. See here, the face will be little bit big and the remaining body part I did a small here. You have to draw like that only. After that, draw a leg of the bird with the body. Next, draw a tail of the bird. See ya. First, draw like this, curve lightly. Then, okay. After this, start to draw a tree. If you want, you can do this one also like this. Okay. Okay, children. After that, draw a leaf. Leaves are so easy. If you want, you can draw here 1 or 2 branch. Then you can rub this portion. Okay. Okay, children. This is your work. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Within that time, you have to complete this. I think everyone completed the drawing now. Okay, after this, what you have to do, you have to take a black color sketch pen and you have to start to trace the drawing and the border. Children, once again I will tell that you have to trace the border first. After that, whatever drawing we did now, only that drawing you have to trace. No one is tracing this box. Is it clear, children? I will also start to do my work. You should also do your work. Trace like this. Okay, you have to trace full drawing. No one is tracing the box. You should trace the border. After doing black outline, children, your work will looks like this. Okay, then after the black outline, what you have to do, you have to take a eraser and whatever the pencil lines will be there, no, inside the drawing or outside the drawing, whatever boxes is there, that and all you have to start to erase. Once then we will rub all the lines, our work will looks like this, children. Now we will do the sketch pen work first. Afterwards we will go to the crayon work. So first we will take a red color sketch pen and we will start to do the color for the beaks. See, children, you have to do the small shading work like this. Okay, children, you have to complete the red color for the beak like this. In beak with the red color, you have to take a black color crayon and start to do the eyeball. Then here for the next we are taking light green as well as a dark green sketch pen. Here, children, some place we are doing with the light green and some place we are doing with the dark green. I will mark the color and I will show one part. Remaining part you have to complete same like that. See, children, this part you have to do with the light green. here you should do the light green. Then when we come to this portion, here you should do the light green. After that, this part, and here you should do the light green. Remaining you should do the dark green. See children, I will show how you should do the color. You have to do same like that. See here, small shading you should do. Continue, because here the space was too lengthy. For that reason you have to use the small shading work. Okay children, like this you have to do the coloring. Use the small shading method. Don't leave white patches. Like this you have to do the color. Children, here some parts I given no. I put the dot now. You have to put the dot there and start to complete the light green for the parrot. Children, observe the picture, observe the way of the coloring, and you should do same like that children. Okay. After light green, you should take a dark green color, and remaining whatever parts will be there now, that one you have to complete with the dark green children. Here also you should use only that small shading work only, whatever we did beginning. The same thing you should follow here also. First of all, you are using sketch pen, so be careful. Otherwise, it is looking like somewhat you are dumping the color on the paper like that. It will look. For that reason, you should follow whatever I am doing here, the same thing. When you will complete full work, it will look like this. After that, take out a brown color and start to color for the leg. Here also the same small shading work you should use. Okay children, like this. So how to complete this? After this over, now our sketch pen work is over. What we have to do now? Now we should take a crayons. Okay. First we will do color for the tree. Then we will go for the background. For the tree, see children, this portion, this full tree part we are doing with the brown color. Then the leaf we are doing with the light green and a dark green. For the leaf, one leaf you should use the light green, and for one leaf you should use the dark green. How you should use? Here also we are doing the same small shading work. After one leaf over, okay, then take a light green, but don't leave white patches children. Do like this neatly. Okay, all the leaves you have to do with the light green as well as dark green color. Once your leaves is over, you have to take a brown color and do the tree branches. Okay, Here also you should do the small shading work on the children. Observe carefully. Don't leave out of the black line. Do it inside. Like this you should do. Okay children. Now complete the work in your paper. Okay. After this, once when you will complete the tree part, it will looks like this. After now, we have to do the background color. For the background, we are doing with the light blue crayon. Light blue crayon, what you have to do, you should start to do the shading with the small shading work. Okay, I think everyone know what is the small shading work. Okay, you have to do like this. Don't leave white patches. Cover it neatly with the color. Okay, like this you should start to do the color children. For full background you should complete with the light blue. See here, once when we will complete our work will looks like this. Okay, you have to do same as it is. If you have any doubt, you have to see once again the video and complete the work same like this children. I think everyone enjoyed the coloring. Okay, thank you.